Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It was rainy this morning here in Michigan. Well, in the area that I'm in. And it's currently about 51 degrees Fahrenheit today. Well, this morning, which is this in Celsius. Um, it's a little chilly again, but hey, we're getting there. It should be rainy and still fluctuating from warm to chilly in April anyway, so it's quite expected. Today I've decided to install what I'm thinking is going to be my lighting system for my SUV, whose name is Gamora, no build camper that I'm going to be taking into that I'm going to be using for my upcoming solo trip in June. And I've decided that I was thinking, because I've been looking at a lot of YouTube videos from people that have done this, and most of them have been using the string LED lights, and I'm not going for that. Because I'm going for a more stealth approach on this trip. So I opt in for one of these things. This is an LED light from Harbor Freight. It costs $2.99 a piece. I got two of them just in case I needed more than one. But what I like about it is there's a switch, right? I get in the car, I need a light, boom, there's a light. And it's bright enough that it will illuminate most of what I needed it to illuminate. But now the challenge is, where am I gonna put it? Oh, and by the way, turn that off because it's causing some glare in the camera. I will not be drilling anything in the car, because I think I did mention it in one of the previous videos that my goal is to quickly convert my SUV, quickly convert Gamora from a no-build camper, to just a normal SUV. And to go with this, because this already has Velcro on it, so I just need to stick this to where I want it to be. And if I need it, I'll just stick the light, this piece, on the Velcro, and then it's there. And if I don't need it, I just will take it out, right? At least that's a plan for now. Hopefully this will work, but let's install this and drink my coffee and my jet oil, which I love, by the way. I totally get it why outdoorsy people are going crazy about this, because it's so cool. All right, so we're in the car. I've converted it to a sleep mode, but I did not. The patio cushions I'm going to use for my bed, I don't need it, so I kept it just rolled into place, as you see. So now I want to figure out a way, the best location for this light that I'm going to use. I want to figure out a location where I'm going to put it. This is the place for it. I'm going to need like a little bit of work table here, so you can see what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that IKEA container, the one with the wooden lid, and put it here so that I would have like a little table. Again, I love this thing, IKEA. Right, here's the light. Again, simple switch, but I want to show you the back. So here's the back, just like this warning label thingamajig. Obviously we don't need that there. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna peel it off like so. I wonder why they right there where you're gonna obviously remove the Velcro piece. But here's the Velcro piece. It's pretty strong. And what power is this thing? I am planning on bringing a couple of batteries with me, just in case. But I want to see how it is, right? I mean, how bad. Oh, you know what? I don't even need to unscrew this. Again, I'm installing it right there. I don't know how strong this thing is. It's not one of those 3M ones, which is like uber strong. So let us put this bad boy in there, making sure that I have access to this seatbelt still, and then making sure it's probably covering this with my head. But go, boom, 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 boom. I mean, it's like the easiest installation, right? So that's there. Let me make sure that everything is just snug. Boom. Light on. Illuminate. I don't need light right now. It's gone. See? All I have is a little Velcro piece in here that doesn't really doesn't look like, you know, like I drilled anything in the car. It's Velcro. If I need it, just slap it back there. And light. So there's my current light system right now, which may change in the future, but at this point, it is how it's gonna be. Okay, everyone, this is it. As always, just go ahead and do what makes you happy, and I will see you in the next one.